Hey crafty cuties, hope you guys are doing lovely. I got a really fun package in the mail and I wanted to share it with you because some of the things I'm going to show you are available on Madeleine DeEtte Designs on Etsy. I'll have her link below. She also has a special coupon code just for my viewers, which is so awesome, that you guys can use, and many of you guys shop with her, so I like to show you what I got from her. A few of the things she sent me, she is so kindly helping with August Patreon. I know some people get irritated when I talk about what I'm doing for Patreon, but I just wanted to say a quick little thing that I'm not trying to sell anyone on signing up for Patreon. And I do get that it might not benefit all of my viewers to see what I'm working on, but I do try to just show you like a whole range of what I'm doing in my craft room. And I feel like a lot of the videos, whether or not you're a Patreon member, I'm hoping that many of you still get inspiration from the projects that I'm making, because a lot of times I'm showing you how to make something so you can still make it for yourself whether or not you are a Patreon member. And because the Patreon packages are always like a themed thing, and so I feel like that can work really good for journal inspiration. So that's just a quick little spiel, and I do show a lot of things that I get from Maddie. She's one of my admins, she is a friend, and she is someone who really helps out making Patreon happen many of the months, and I appreciate her, and I would love to send her as much business and love as I ever can. She also has a YouTube channel and she shares some amazing tutorials. So if you are looking for a channel where it's mostly just tutorials, maybe sometimes little hauls here and there, then go check out her channel. I'll have it all listed. Okay, now that I talked, let's go. So I actually have a video that will be coming soon where, or maybe it's already up, where she has the cutest fall junk journal kits, but I have to wait to show you that one, but that's going to be a little sneak peek information. So she has lots of packs. Let's open this one. This is on her Etsy, and she has a ton of like vintage sheets. She goes out and finds the greatest vintage sheets, and just everything's so awesome because look at how it comes. It comes so clean. She washes these things, disinfects them, and then they're just like folded so nicely that they are ready for you to use. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this one right here. I don't even want to open these up. Now, on her listings, she's going to usually have like the sizes also, so I may not unfold all of these because we do have a lot to look at, but so like I said, I think what I'm showing you right here, this is just a whole pack that comes together. I'll have any specific links down below. Did I already say that? So let's see here. Okay, so this is a few different larger pieces. This print is just so cute. Oh my gosh. And it's always enough to make like 1, 2, several journals or whatever you want. But like I said, I love that they're just like all ironed and ready because I'm lazy when it comes to ironing my fabrics. I'm not usually gonna put time in to do that. So it is nice when they are ready to go. And she is really good at curating prints and colors that go together. I love anything vintage daisies, so let's open this one up too. And again, you're getting a couple different pieces here. And I'm guessing these are probably going to vary a little bit just because they are actual vintage pieces. And so, yeah, these prints are so cute. And then you get these ones. Oh, the vintage roses and florals. Love. I won't waste your time to put those all back in, but then it looks like you get some larger ones. I love making journals with these. I think you guys have possibly seen quite a few. Look at the pinks. This one, I love that it's like all pinks in this one. Ooh, okay, what kind of print is this? That is pretty. Oh, are these several different ones? So maybe I needed to unfold them. Yeah, okay. But again, like this right here, this would be a perfect amount for like a journal. Or again, you can use these for whatever you like. I've been doing a ton of different fabric embellishments and things for journals. Oh, that is a very cute pack. So I'm wondering if this one also has more than one. Yeah, I think so. Yes, and look, so I love that they're like they all go together. So we have a lot of different pinks here. So cute. Oh, this is the back side. Very cute. And then a pack of cute little crocheted doilies. Perfect for journal covers, pockets, things like that. Yeah, these are really cute. I love using things like these in my journals as well. Okay, I'm obsessed with this fabric right here. Let's set this to the side. So, okay, so she has, I think, smaller packs of what I'm going to show you here. She knew I was doing a really big, what am I trying to say? She knew I was doing a really big project with laces, so she definitely gave me a lot. Very much appreciate. Okay, looks like this is like, oh, a big tablecloth. This is awesome. This is huge. Or maybe a curtain. I mean, either way, it's fabric. Lacy fabric. Yes. And it's so awesome to have like big pieces of this to work with because you don't have to feel like you need to hoard it all. And again, I think she said her listing, like, it might not be this big, but again, you can see all of the sizes. Thin. I remember she said she's going to send me so many of these teeny cute little crocheted kind of doilies or, you know, little pieces right here. And I think these will be really cute for like little snippets or something. I'm not exactly sure how I'll use these, but I feel like you could do a bunch with these cute little pieces. Okay, so I think the rest of what I'm going to show you is not specifically in her shop, but again, you can get an idea of her style, especially if you're like a new viewer or you've never shopped with her. I think you can just get a good idea of her style from even seeing what she has sent to me. I'm going to be using these things to create some lace journals for my Patreon tier. That's a journal tier. So we have a bunch of laces. Those are really pretty. We have crocheted pieces. Let's open these up. I like the different shades of whites and creams too, because I feel like that adds a lot of depth in your projects. So these may be all similar. Let's just unfold maybe one. Yeah, she finds the best stuff when she is out going to the fun places. Okay, awesome. I'm excited to use those. And again, this one's unlisted, but I'm still going to show you guys. Oh, I'm excited. I was actually hoping to get some more of like this eyelet type lace. And I'm so excited because I wonder if I can show you guys an example. So I'm working on journals that are like this. So this one, I guess maybe I didn't specifically have the eyelet. I'm still working on these, so they're not quite done, but you can see how I just layer up a bunch of whites, and I love, oh, actually, I used some of the eyelet similar to this one in the background here. And again, since it's all white, I just love how it's like one color, but so many different textures. So that's kind of what I'm doing for that. And I'm making like 15 of them. Yeah, these are really cute. Excited for that. And then it looks like some white lace. If you are a new subscriber or viewer, I would love for you to leave me a message down below so I can say hi to you. Oh, pretty. Look at all these. Let me know also, and just another idea for comments, even if you're not new, what are your favorite videos from me? Let me tell you guys, my most viewed videos are any of my shopping videos. Why does my hand look purple? The lighting is really odd. Anyways, yes, my shopping videos like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, those get the most views, but I don't really feel like that that's a reflection of what my actual subscribers love, because those videos get a ton of views, but a big percentage of them are from are not subscribed to my channel. So yeah, so I do shopping videos, tutorials, hauls. I do live videos, you know, those are kind of the different videos. Okay, she knows that this month's theme is all about lace. These are cute. Had no idea she was sending these. Love how they're all lacy. That's fun. That gives me a couple ideas actually for some printables. Awesome. I'm excited. And then she so kindly is, again, helping me out. I have like two, I don't know what to call them, but two people who are helping with Patreon this month. Actually more than two, but I'm like shouting out these two, and it's Maddie and then Selena from Amore Fabrics. But also, I would say a third is Dawn from Green Emerald Mama. I can't keep track of all the names, guys. Well, anyways, I'm going to put all three of their shops down below too. But of course, I wanted to highlight Maddie in this one. But she made these, so they're all embossed checks. And look, it's like a lacy print. So I'm going to decide if I want to keep these white or ink them up. I'm not sure because I kind of like them like this. But yes, thank you, Maddie, because this is great for all of my members because we get extra things. So okay, that's everything from this package. This was such a fun package. Again, if you love doing fall crafting and you are loving these types of junk journal kits, stay tuned so that you can see Maddie's fall kits. And hopefully she's okay with me at least mentioning that little. I just want you guys to get excited because her kits are really awesome. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a lovely day and I'll see you soon. Bye.